Welcome to Soul Sanctuary. This is your sacred space to realign, recharge, and step into your power. Sit comfortably, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly release. Let the world fall away. Let your mind arrive. Let your body soften. Feel the gift of this new day, a fresh start, just you and your breath. Now imagine a golden light above you, the energy of the sun, the clarity of a new beginning. Let it flow down through your crown, washing through your entire body, waking every cell, every thought, every intention. Feel your inner fire right at the center of your being. This is your power. This is your will. This is your light. Repeat silently. I am focused. I am ready. I move with purpose. Again, I am focused. I am ready. I move with purpose. Let this energy grow, clear, strong, undeniable. Bring your awareness down into your legs, your feet, the earth beneath you. Feel yourself grounded, unshakable, present. Whisper within, I trust the path I'm on. I am supported in all that I do. Rest now in this calm, awake stillness. Your energy is clear. Your mind is light. You are open. You are aligned. Today is yours to create. Take one final breath. Feel the strength in your presence, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for starting your day with Soul Sanctuary. Until next time, be light.